Hi everyone! Today I want to show you a super simple and delicious layered wonton dish. It's been trending recently, and once you try it, you'll see why. Soft, juicy, and really satisfying. If you're not sure what to make for dinner, this is a great one to try. First, finely chop some ginger. Make it nice and small so it blends well into the meat. If you prefer, you can also use garlic. Next, chop some scallions and set them aside. Not a fan of scallions? You can swap them with onion. Now, let's prepare the filling. I'm using 500 grams of ground pork. Add in the chopped ginger and scallions. Then 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. And 2 tablespoons of cooking wine. Add 1 teaspoon of white pepper. 1 teaspoon of sugar. 1 teaspoon of salt. And 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Mix everything well until the meat becomes smooth and slightly sticky. This will give you a much more tender texture. Now, let's build the layers. Lightly brush some oil on the bottom of a plate to prevent sticking. Start with a layer of wonton wrappers. Then spread a thin layer of the meat filling on top. And try to keep each layer of meat nice and thin, so you get clean, beautiful layers. Lightly spray a bit of water on each layer of wrappers. This helps everything turn out softer and more delicate after steaming. Keep stacking wrapper, then meat. Once done, place it into a steamer. Steam on high heat for about 20 minutes. Finish with some chopped scallions, a drizzle of soy sauce, and if you like a bit of heat, add your favorite chili sauce. It makes the flavor even better. Cut into a piece and look at those layers inside. Tender, juicy, and so satisfying with every bite. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and let's make delicious food simple.